Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 ML550 4MATIC. This one's a diamond white metallic. Underneath the hood is a V8 pushing out 402 horsepower and 443 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you active curb illumination, adaptive high beam assist, brushed aluminum running boards. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, pano sunroof. Come around back, trailer hitch, ML550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. This also does come with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you an active blind spot assist, active lane assist. Also includes the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you Harman Kardon sound system, burr walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Then we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This ML550 has 49,791 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML550 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.